Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but incredibly useful technique in Power BI, how to create a trend line in your chart. This skill will help you add an extra layer of insight to your reports, making your data not just more colorful, but way more meaningful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to visualize trends in your data at a glance, making analysis a breeze, whether you're tracking sales over time, website visits, or any metric that changes. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to head over to the table view in Power BI. You'll find this on the left sidebar. It's that little grid icon. Why start here? Well, this is where all your raw data lives, and before we make anything visual, we want to make sure our data is in the right format. Once you're in table view, look up at the top of the screen for a button that says Enter Data. This is your gateway to bringing in new information, or even just making a quick sample table if you want to practice. Click on Enter Data, a new window pops up. Imagine this like opening a fresh Excel sheet. Here you can manually add in information, which is perfect if you've got some data you just copied from an email, website, or maybe a spreadsheet. Now simply select the column in the pop-up and paste your data right in. It's totally okay if you just have a few rows. Power BI can work with data big or small. Take your time here, make sure it's pasted correctly. If something looks off, you can always delete a row or adjust it before moving on. Next, you'll probably want to rename the column to something that makes sense. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. You don't want a bunch of charts with generic names like column 1. Just click on the column name and type in something descriptive like date or sales. Naming your columns well is like labeling your pantry. You want to be able to tell at a glance what's inside. When you're happy with your data and the column names, look for the Load button and click it. This tells Power BI to take your pasted data and officially bring it into your workspace. Depending on how much data you have, you might need to wait a few seconds, but don't worry, Power BI is pretty quick. Now that your data is loaded, it's time for the fun part, visualizing it. Go back to the report view. This is where you design all those interactive dashboards and charts. On the right side, you'll find all the visualization options. Scroll until you find the line chart. This is the classic tool for spotting trends over time or across categories. Click on the line chart icon to drop a blank chart onto your report canvas. Now all that's left to do is connect your data. On the right side where your fields are listed, drag the appropriate columns into the chart's axes, like dragging the date column to the x-axis and your metrics, such as sales, to the y-axis. The chart will instantly display a line that traces your data points, and there it is, your trend line. And that's it. Seriously, it's that easy. Now you can see trends and patterns emerge out of your raw numbers, making your Power BI dashboards not just impressive, but also insightful for anyone who views them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need more details. I love hearing your feedback. And for more easy-to-follow Power BI tips and tricks, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.